What's your name, my friend? Furat. Very nice name. And who are you here with, Furat? Furat and Winston. Now, it's very hard to not sound racist right now. So, Winston? And whereabouts in the 19th century are you from? That's your genuine name. So your parents saw a tiny baby and they're like, you know what I'm going to call this? Winston, fuck it. You don't strike me as a Winston.
What do I strike you as?
So, guys, we're going to bring on your first act.